Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 9 July 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 3 and name of the chapter is plants. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So in the previous video, student, I explained you what is self-pollination and cross-pollination. Okay, and after that what is fertilization. So how pollination is a very important, because due to this the male reproductive part that which comes from the anther, because pollens are in the anther, and from the stigma, which is the female reproductive part, stigma, style and ovary, the pollens are transferred to the stigma, and after that from the style it moves to the ovary, and in the ovary what are present? Ovules are female egg cells, and they fuse, and this process is known as fertilization, and in the ovary the formation of seed take place. Okay, and after that you will find the seeds inside the fruits. So these are the things which we covered in the previous video. In detail you want to see, you can again see the previous video on pollination. Now next topic which I teach you in today video, that is seed. Now when we are talking about the seeds, so seeds are present in maximum plants. Seeds are present, and seeds are very important, because from the seed new baby plants come out from the seed. And student, when we are talking about the seed, okay, when we are talking about the seed, then again there is a difference in the size of the seeds also. And where you find these seeds are present inside the fruits. These seeds are present inside the fruit. Okay, and when again you compare number of seeds present in the food, that is also having a difference. For example, if you know mango fruit, in mango you have only one seed, in lemon you have 4 or 5 seeds. Or if you see, if you eat the fruit of watermelon, then you will see lot of seeds are inside the watermelon. And one more fruit you can say papaya, in that fruit also you many seeds are present inside. So the number of seeds also differ to different types of a fruit. So different types of fruits have different number of seeds. Now I explain you with the help of a diagram. First of all, I will explain you the structure of a seed. So observe the picture, student. What is this? This is known as seed coat. What is this? This is a baby plant, or you can say embryo. And what is this? This is cotyledons. Okay, so this is a structure of a seed. Now see, student, this is the structure of a seed. Okay, this outer, that is known as seed coat. Okay, so every plant, baby plant, is inside the seed. So there is a thick outer covering. Okay, which there is a thick outer covering which protect the seed. So that is known as seed coat. That is known as seed coat. So there is a thick outer covering will protect the seed, is called the seed coat. Okay, now see, observe other things. This, what is this? This is the embryo, or you can say baby plant, which comes out from the seed, which will come out from the seed. And this portion is, this is known as cotyledons. Okay, so what is this? This is the food for the embryo. What is this? This is food for the or you can say baby plant. Okay, so cotyledon is what? Food for the baby plant. Okay, now see, student, you can do one activity in your house. Take a rajma seed, or you can take a gram seed. Okay, then put that seed in the water for the whole night. So in the morning, what you will observe? Okay, see, before putting that seeds into the water, you will observe that the seed coat, inside which the seed is present, and what is present inside the seed, that is the baby plant, or you can say embryo is present inside the seed. So student, at diet time, when you touch the seed, then you will observe that the outer covering of the seed is very hard. That is known as seed coat. The outer covering inside which there is a seed, so that covering is very hard, and that is known as seed coat. Okay, it protect the baby plant which is inside the seed. It protect the baby plant which is inside the seed. Now do one activity. Take some rajma seed or gram seed and put them into the water for the whole night. You can take any utensil, and in the morning, what you will observe? You will observe that the size of the seed is increase. Okay, you will observe that the size of the seed will increase. So now, and another thing which you observe, that the seed coat which is very hard, now it becomes very soft. Okay, the seed coat which is very hard, that also become very soft. Very easily you can open that seed, or by removing the seed coat. When you will open the seed, you will see the yellow portion inside the seed, and that is known as cotyledons. Okay, you will see the yellow portion which is inside the seed, that is known as cotyledon. And what is this? This is the food for the baby plant. What is this? This is the food for the baby plant. Now, how this is a possible, student? Now we will discuss how this is possible. Such a hard seed, by putting that seed into the water for the whole night, how these changes come in the seed, how these changes come in the seed. So student, what happened? Try to understand. Observe the seed. Take any seed. Before putting that seed into the water, you just observe the seed. Every seed has a hole. Okay, every seed has a hole. And when you put the rajma seeds or gram seed in the water, then what happens? From that hole the water enter inside the seed. And that is the reason, when on the next morning, when you observe the seed, you see that the size of the seed is increased, because water enter inside the seed. It will not happen only in 5 or 10 minutes. So it will take time. That is the reason I am saying that to put the seed in the water in the night, and in the morning after 7, 8, 10 hours, when you will observe, then you will find these types of changes in the seed. Not in 5, 10 or 30 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, it takes 7 to 8 or 10 hours. So this type of change you will observe in the seed. So this change occur how? Because the water, every seed has a hole, and the water enter inside the seed through this hole. And when the water enter inside the seeds, then what's happened? The outer seed coat of the seed become very soft. Very easily you can open the seed. And when you will open the seed, student, you will observe that embryo, baby plant inside the seed. Now the question arises, from where the baby plant will get the food. So when you open the seed, you will see this yellow portion of the seed. This is the food for the baby plant, and this is known as cotyledons. Okay, is it clear? So this is a structure of seed, and I hope you all able to understand how the new baby plant comes from the सीड. ओके, अब आप ये बात समझ गए होंगे कि बेबी प्लांट सीड से कैसे बाहर आता है. ठीक है, जर्मिनेशन ऑफ सीड तो अभी मैं नेक्स्ट बताऊंगा, स्टेप बाय स्टेप वी विल डिस्कस दैट थिंग आल्सो, हाउ द बेबी प्लांट कम आउट सीड इन जर्मिनेशन. लेकिन आपको ये क्लियर हो गया कि मान लो जब सॉइल में भी जब होता होगा. ठीक है, ये स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सीड है. चलो जर्मिनेशन ऑफ सीड में अभी हम बता रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो आई होप स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सीड पूरी क्लास को समझ में आ गया होगा. ठीक है, ऑल ऑफ यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. एक बार रिवाइज कर देते हैं. नहीं तो when you put the seeds in the water for the whole night, next morning when you observe that, you will find the size of the seed increase. And why this happen? It happens because when you observe the seed of any seed, you will see there is a hole in the seed, and from this hole water enter inside the seed, and that is the reason seed coat become very soft. क्योंकि seed coat soft होगा तभी तो बेबी प्लांट ओपन होके बाहर आएगा वहां से. सेम एज आई टीच यू इन क्लास 4th में तुम लोग ने पढ़ा होगा एग लेइंग एनिमल्स. ठीक है, जो उनका आउटर एग होता है, शेल, वो हार्ड होती है, उसके अंदर एल्बुमन होता है और अंदर यॉक होता है. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द रीजन जब बेबी की ग्रोथ होने लगती है, जो येलो पोर्शन यॉक होता है, दैट इज द फूड फॉर द बेबी. एंड एल्बुमन क्या करता है? यंग बेबी को क्या करता है? प्रोटेक्ट करता है. एंड आफ्टर हैचिंग, जब बर्ड्स उस पर रेगुलर बैठते हैं, सो अंडे जब हैच करते हैं, तो आफ्टर दैट द शेल ओपन and the baby plant comes out. सो द सेम थिंग हैपन्स हियर आल्सो. लिटिल चेंज क्या है यहाँ पे, यहाँ भी क्या हुआ, जब वाटर एंटर किया, ठीक है, जब वाटर एंटर किया तो सीड कोट क्या है, बिल्कुल सॉफ्ट हो गया. सीड कोट जब सॉफ्ट होगा तभी तो बेबी प्लांट बेटा बाहर आएगा. अगर सीड कोट वाटर में जाने के बाद भी वैसे का वैसे हार्ड रहता तो ये ओपन होता, इट विल नॉट ओपन. सो when the water enter inside the seed, if the seed coat become very soft and it break and the baby plant come out from the seed. So this is the structure of a seed. Now next topic is we will study germination of a seed. So let's understand with the diagram. This is the first stage, this is the second stage, okay. Third, now let we understand, first of all let understand what is germination. The process by which a baby plant come out from the seed, that is known as germination. What is germination? The process by which the process the process by which seed grows into a baby plant. You can also say it as a seedlings. Is called it germination. Now the process by which seed grows into a baby plant, you can also say it as a seedlings, or is called it a germination. So for the germination also beta, there should be a right conditions are required. Okay, so the condition needed for germination for is air, water and the right temperature. Air, water and the right temperature. ऐसे नहीं है, देखो सीड ऐसे ही नहीं जर्मिनेट कर जाता है, उसके लिए भी एक कंडीशन रिक्वायर्ड है। एयर भी मिलनी चाहिए उसे, वाटर भी और राइट टेम्परेचर भी। तो हाउ, स्टेप बाय स्टेप हाउ द प्रोसेस टेक प्लेस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू पुट सीड इन द सॉइल। उससे भी पहले आपने क्या किया, रुक जाइए अभी यहाँ से भी वेट करते हैं बेटा। जब भी कल्टीवेशन करते हैं फार्मर्स, तो फर्स्ट दे मेक द सॉइल वेरी सॉफ्ट। ठीक है, सॉइल को सॉफ्ट करते हैं। ठीक है, एंड आफ्टर दैट दे पुट वाटर इनटू द सॉइल आल्सो। आपने देखा होगा कभी विलेज में अपने गए होगे, आपने ऑब्जर्व किया होगा, दे पुट वाटर इन द सॉइल, क्योंकि वाटर होना चाहिए सॉइल में। अगर सॉइल में बेटा वाटर नहीं होगा तो हाउ द बेबी प्लांट विल कम आउट। क्योंकि मैंने स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सीड में आपको क्या बताया, यही बताया, एक एक्सपेरिमेंट, एक एक्टिविटी के थ्रू। when you put the seed in the water and next day when you observe, the size of the seed increase and the seed coat become very soft, and if you open the seed, two yellow portion which you observe, that is the food for the baby plant, and in this manner the seed germinate. Okay, now what's happened? So first the farmer make the soil very soft, they water the fields also, then they put the seeds into the soil. अब जो सॉइल में जब सीड जाएगा और जिस सॉइल में वाटर होगा, तो सबसे पहली प्रोसेस यही होगी जो मैंने स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सीड में आपको बताई। ओके, द वाटर इंटर्स इनटू द सीड। ओके, so water enter into the seed. Due to this what happen, the seed become very soft, seed coat become very soft, and from there what will come out, that is the baby plant. See, in the first step you put the seed in the soil, and after some time what's happen, when the water enters into the seed, then the seed coat open and the new baby plant start coming out from the seed. Is it clear? And one more question for you, for your good understanding. When see student, the first part which come out from the seed, that is the root. Root is the first part that comes from the seed. ठीक है, root is the first part that comes from the seed. Now see, this is an important point. Okay, root is the first part that comes from the seed. So now see, observe the picture here. After putting the seed, there is a water in the soil. So after some time what happen, from the hole which is present in all the seeds, the water enter inside the hole and the seed coat become very soft. So what's happen, from seed coat become very soft, it means the seed coat break and the new baby plant come. And so student, this small part which you observe in the picture, this is a root part. First part is the root. In the third picture you will see now, and this part, this cotyledons which I showed you in the structure of a seed. अब देखो बेटा, बेबी प्लांट की रूट्स बहुत स्लोली, आपने कभी देखा होगा, अगर आप चने वने डाल दो, 2-4 दिन ऐसे ही छोड़ दो, तो उसमें तो आप देखोगे हल्के हल्के रूट्स निकल आते हैं। तो अब ये बेबी प्लांट के को फूड चाहिए, क्यों? एज वी नो डैट root absorb water and minerals for the plant, and plant required this for their growth and even for the process of photosynthesis also. But अभी रूट्स क्या है, अभी ये रूट्स क्या है, बहुत स्मॉल है, ठीक है। इसका मतलब रूट इज वेरी स्मॉल, अभी रूट्स सॉइल में इंटर नहीं किया है पूरा ठीक से, अभी जस्ट इट इज कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम द सीड। सो एट दिस टाइम, क्योंकि यहां पे देखो थर्ड पिक्चर में रूट्स कम इन टच ऑफ द सॉइल, अभी यहाँ पे रूट बस आया है, सीड कोट ब्रेक हुआ है, जस्ट रूट इज स्टार्ट टू कमिंग आउट, बेबी प्लांट जस्ट आना स्टार्ट हुआ है। तो एट दिस टाइम हाउ, फ्रॉम वेयर इट गेट द फूड फॉर हिज ग्रोथ, तो दैट इज कॉटलीडॉन्स। ओके, दिस when you open the seed and observe the seed, two yellow portion, that is the food for the baby plant. Now see in the third picture you will observe that now here the roots are in touch of the soil, ठीक है। अब रूट सॉइल में जब टच में आ जाएगा तब फिर प्लांट अपना फूड कहां से लेने लगेगा, फ्रॉम द सॉइल। इज इट क्लियर? नाउ इन थर्ड पिक्चर आपने देखा, नाउ स्मॉल स्मॉल लीव्स आर कमिंग। अब पहले रूट, अब जब रूट सॉइल के टच में आ जाता है तब आफ्टर दैट इट स्टार्ट टेकिंग इट्स फूड फ्रॉम द सॉइल, इट स्टार्ट टेकिंग इट्स फूड फ्रॉम द सॉइल। सो नाउ आफ्टर द रूट शूट सिस्टम स्टार्ट डेवलपिंग, ठीक है। आफ्टर द रूट अब शूट सिस्टम डेवलप होना स्टार्ट करेगा। देखो ये क्या है आपका सीडी है अभी, ठीक है। अब इसमें से आपको देखो लीव्स निकलते दिख रहे हैं, आफ्टर दैट ये सीड फेल डाउन हो जाएगा, ठीक है। और अब देखो फाइनली देखो प्लांट, अब इसमें ब्रांचेस भी आ गए, लीव्स भी आ गए, आगे चल के इसमें बर्ड्स भी आ जाएगा, फ्लावर भी आ जाएंगे, फ्रूट्स भी आ जाएंगे। सो इन दिस इज द कंप्लीट प्रोसेस ऑफ जर्मिनेशन ऑफ ए सीड, दिस इज द कंप्लीट प्रोसेस ऑफ जर्मिनेशन ऑफ ए सीड। I hope you all are able to understand what is germination of seed. So now a seed is sown in the soil, ठीक है, और soil is moistened by regular watering, जो मैंने आपको बताया, ठीक है। Second point which is given in your book, now the seed absorb water from the hole on it. This I have already explained you कि soil में water है, so this water is absorbed by the hole present in the seed, okay, and due to this अब क्या होगा, उसका साइज बड़ा होने लगेगा। इसका मतलब क्या होगा, इट स्टार्ट टू स्वेल एंड सॉफ्टन। जब उसमें पानी इंटर हो जाएगा तो स्वेल, जैसे फूल नहीं जाता है, कभी आपको चोट लगती है वो जगह सूज जाती है, फूल जाती है, तो अब जब इसमें वाटर जाएगा तो उसका साइज इंक्रीज होने लगेगा, जैसे लग रहा है, ठीक है। और अब क्या होगा, सीड कोट क्या हो गया, बहुत सॉफ्ट हो गया, ठीक। फिर नेक्स्ट पॉइंट व्हाट इज गिवन, द सीडलिंग ब्रेक्स द सीड कोट एंड कम आउट ऑफ द सीड। द सीडलिंग ब्रेक्स, जो बेबी प्लांट है उसने सीड कोट को ब्रेक कर दिया, क्योंकि सीड कोट क्या है, बहुत सॉफ्ट हो गया। अब बेबी प्लांट कम आउट फ्रॉम द सीड। नेक्स्ट है टिल द रूट ग्रो वेल द सीडलिंग ऑब्टर्न इट्स फूड फ्रॉम कॉटलीडॉन्स। यही मैंने आपको बताया, अभी रूट्स बहुत स्मॉल है, ये सॉइल के टच में पूरी तरह नहीं आई हैं, तो फ्रॉम वेयर दे गेट देयर फूड, ये जो इसका ये जो पोर्शन है जिसे कॉटलीडॉन अभी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सीड में मैंने पढ़ाया था, तो दैट इज द फूड फॉर द बेबी प्लांट। द सीडलिंग डेवलप रूट एंड शूट। अब सीडलिंग्स में क्या डेवलप हो गई, देखो यहाँ रूट डेवलप हो गई है, शूट भी अब स्टार्ट हो गई, ठीक है। एंड दिस इज फाइनल स्टेज ऑफ द प्लांट। The seedling later develops leaves, branches and finally grow into a plant. So I hope student you all are able to understand the process of germination of a seed. Now after this the topic which is given in your book, that is dispersal of a seed. So this is also a very important part, that there should be a proper dispersal of seed. So we will continue this topic in the next video. Thank you.